basically we have a, what do you call it? A TV mount that doesn't move.
Right, it just swivels.
It's, yeah, up and down. Yeah. So we got this on Menards Black Friday sale for $7.99, which from what we've seen of these full motion mounts, that's pretty darn cheap. We are going to install that today. That way we can swivel the TV out and around, and if we want to sit over here in a chair, we'll be able to watch TV from a chair rather than, well, because like, I mean, he can't see the TV from under there, right?
Yeah, it stinks.
This is what comes in the box. We won't be able to use those big giant mounting screws, and since our TV's, I don't know how big is this TV, small, and we don't need giant screws, but those will come clear out the outside of the trailer, so we can't do that. Alright, so that's what you get in the box. Alright, we've got the old bracket off. That's from the old one. And we are going to put the new one on. Since our TV's so small, we don't need these extender brackets. We don't need these for our little dinky TV that we have. But we are using the spacers, and I'll put that back on there just like that. Okay, so basically we are using the, well, one of the existing holes from the previous mount. And we will, that bracket's just a little bit longer than the one we had before. So we're going to have to make one new hole at the bottom, but the next step will be to hook that top screw there into this little top notch, and then we have a bottom screw that we'll put in, and it goes into that little slot right there to hold the TV. Alright, you can see the top one is sitting in the notch, and I've got the bottom one, it's just loosely in there. If you don't tighten that bottom screw, the TV's going to wobble back and forth as it is on a slide. So you'll need to line that up and tighten that screw so that your TV's straight. But it is sitting in the top notch, and the bottom screw is right now just loosely in there. And that's how you attach it to the bracket that goes to the wall. Everything's now securely attached to the wall and to the TV, and as you can see, it will pull completely straight out. We can turn it all the way from one side to the other. Should be able to put it back over in the corner if we want to, and it pushes back and sits nice and flat against the wall. And now he can watch TV from the chair.